Group of experienced businessmen have come together in order to bring a high-security vehicle to series production. Their concept is not based on the complex and expensive all-round retrofitting of an existing series production automobile with armor. Accordingly, they plan to build the vehicle from the ground up, with the most modern high-strength materials entirely under the aspect of security. The new high-security sedan will exceed all existing norms and, in the process, set new milestones in the class of armored automobiles. Alone, the general construction using special high-strength materials and the use of the most modern technologies will make it possible to reduce the weight of the vehicle by tons. What this will ultimately mean is clear: better handling, better acceleration values using comparably sized engines, lower fuel consumption, and finally, less strain on the axles and tires. However, the most outstanding characteristics of the new automobile concept are the massive, up to now unattainable protective mechanisms. Compared to currently valid norms, the new system has demonstrated its superiority in every respect considered. For example, in terms of ballistics. Up to now, commonly used armor has been designed to ward off the effects of civilian 44mm Magnum projectiles and against attacks using so-called Kalashnikov and NATO-class rifles. Conventional armor provides little protection against recently developed projectiles in the 7.62mm caliber range with an especially hard tungsten core and a 15% increased impact speed. The new system, however, is able to absorb the impact of these projectiles, thereby providing the necessary safety to individuals in the passenger compartment. For example, in terms of explosion. Commonly used armor protection for automobiles is designed to withstand the explosive power of DM-51 hand grenades containing 60 grams of explosive charge. Splitter grenades of the L2A2 type contain almost 3 times the amount of explosive charge, giving them considerably more penetrating power. Too much for conventional armor protection. The underbody of the new high-security vehicle, however, is able to withstand as much as 170 grams of explosive power. Consider chemical attacks. Commonly used armored vehicles are powerless to protect against the effects of a chemical attack. Because the maximum protection of vehicle occupants is the highest priority, the new vehicle concept has been able to close this security gap. The moment sensors recognize a chemical attack, The vehicle interior is hermetically sealed. A sophisticated filtration system takes over the purification of contaminated air, supplying those inside the automobile with fresh, decontaminated air. Consider the protection of the fuel tank. The inside of the fuel tank is a highly explosive environment. For this reason, twofold protection is necessary. On the one hand, the tank must be built to eliminate the possibility of leakage resulting from an attack. On the other hand, under no circumstances may the fuel-air mixture in the tank explode. The new vehicle design has achieved both of these goals. The buildup of gas within the tank is hindered, and there is no danger of explosion, no matter how much fuel is in the tank. Additionally, the entire tank is made of self-plugging material. Therefore, should a projectile puncture the tank, there is neither the danger of explosion nor the loss of considerable amounts of fuel. These protective mechanisms, in combination with other types of security equipment, such as optic and acoustic alarm systems, as well as, of course, a spaciously luxurious interior, which, despite the highest degree of security possible, has lost nothing in terms of exclusivity, results in the safest armored automobile in the world today.